Well, my portaband had been clicking as I was sawing, which typically means this is about to happen. I don't think one of my Wood-Mizer blades will fit on my portaband, but let me see if I've got another one. I just got a quick update here on the cedar shingle jig that I'm redesigning. I'm still getting a lot of comments and suggestions on how to make my other project work, but I've decided to give up on that one. I'm going to completely redesign it as I've started here. I've got the 8 cradles built for the blanks that will become cedar shingles. I ordered these flange bearings from Amazon that are going to help reduce friction in the mechanical part of the jig. However, this 1-inch flange bearing will not accommodate the 1-inch pipe that I was going to use as my shaft to actuate each individual tray. So I got to figure out how I'm going to address that. I was able to get my layout and more of my design figured out, but between the heat and the other work that I've got going on, I didn't really have a whole lot of time to work on this week. Viewer Paul from California emailed me to my 5tonfabrication@gmail.com account and asked me if I could build him one of my combination 3-point receiver hitch / log skidding boom attachments for the new tractor that he's going to be picking up soon. Paul wasn't happy with my price and gave me $100 more than I told him. So I appreciate that. I'm going to get started on that here this week and hopefully have that finished before the end of the week. I also have another hair salon project for a salon up in Camas, Washington, where I'm going to resaw those glue lamb beams that I've been whittling away on into paneling that I'm going to stain black and reface the front of the salon's front desk. I'm also going to be using that material with a clear finish for a countertop. I also got the green light for a fairly major project that could potentially pay off my sawmill before the end of the summer that I'm really excited about. More paneling for that construction company that I've been doing all the work for. So that should get started hopefully next weekend. And finally, some friends of mine are just finishing up building their house and started moving in this weekend. So I took over an English Walnut mantle, live edge, that I cut for them last year and installed that. It came out really nice. They're super happy with it. I apologize for the lackluster update video. There's a lot going to be happening in the next few weeks that I really think are going to be interesting and make some good videos. So I hope you all stay tuned. Continue to comment. I appreciate it, and we'll see you soon.